So today I am going to show you guys how to make a turkey. This is so simple, but how to do it right. Now the first thing is you don't want to start from frozen. You want to have this thing either in the fridge or let it thaw out. I like to get this thing up to room temperature. Some people don't like to do that. Maybe just a little cool, but anyway, thaw the turkey out first. That's a must. So let's go ahead and unpack this in here. It's not a big bird. This is only 15.4 pounds or something like that, 15.2. So this one's actually going to cook really quickly. Turkeys are my favorite thing to cook, and they are the easiest thing to cook. I learned this working in the restaurant industry a long time ago. So I'm using a turkey pan. I highly recommend that you get one. Just the aluminum ones with some foil is fine for a lid if you want to go that route. So I don't like stuffing or any of that kind of stuff. So what the hell is this? So I guess this is some sort of turkey goo that they put in here. Anyway, I'm not using that. I haven't seen that before. That's weird. Anyway, these are the giblets, and then up here, stuffed in here, is going to be the neck. So for the neck, just leave it on the side. Seasoning wise, does not take much. So this little plastic clip, you can actually leave this in here. This leaves the legs nice and tight. It does not affect anything. These are high temperature clips. These are good for like 500 degrees. So don't worry about getting a turkey full of BPAs or anything like that. It'll be fine. No stuffing. These cook a lot quicker when you just leave everything out of it. So the only thing I'm going to add in here is a little bit of chicken broth. And I use this organic stuff just fine, if you can get the damn thing open. Okay, there we go. And you only need to pour in 1 can of this. Now this is a turkey that you do not have to service. So once it goes in the oven, it's pretty much done. So anyway, I just pour in 1 container. And this is, size-wise, 4 cups. Seasoning is completely personal preference. So it just depends on what you want to do to season it. I like to put in soy sauce. So we just kind of give the whole thing a good covering. Now I am going to make gravy out of the stock that we put in there later on, but when I pull it out, and seasoned salt. Last thing is bacon. Doesn't really matter what kind, but the bacon will actually do the basting for you, and this will make your life so much easier. So throw some bacon on there. Go ahead and throw it on the legs. And tear this one. And make sure that the fat stays up here to keep it basted. Just like that. Leaving the side. And that's it. This thing is ready to go in the oven. So for this, I leave this thing covered. Then I'm going to put it in there for 375 for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it down to 325 for an hour and 15 minutes, and then it's going to be done. Okay, the big unveil after 2 hours. This is what the bird looks like. So that's how you do it. Very simple. I guarantee that this is going to be extremely tender. And just to show you, we're going to take a knife and we're going to cut into it right here. And look, I don't know if you can see that, but that is tender. So I'm going to let this cool off. I'm going to start draining it, and we're going to make gravy. So if I could tell you one thing that I have learned from making hundreds of turkeys, it's that the whole picturesque bird stuffed with potatoes and stuffing and vegetables on the side, that really just dries the turkey out. So it's best to just leave it simple. Cook the bird by itself, siphon off all of the turkey broth, turn that into a really nice gravy, and you can't be beat. So what do you do with the bacon? Put it in the gravy. What do you think? Jeez. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel for more weird information like this, and we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.